I arrived in Bratislava, Slovakia. This time I booked the hotel in advance. I'm going to leave my backpack at the hotel and then we will go see Bratislava together. There is a big fancy shopping mall above the bus terminal. Let's go out from here and see where our hotel is. The currency of Slovakia is the euro and there is no need to change. The name of this terminal is Nivi. A beautiful spring day. That's the Slovakia flag in the middle, blue, red and white. Let's see what the Slavic language is like.
Universitas Comeniana Bratislavensis.
Did I read that correctly? The Danube River also flows through the city of Bratislava in Slovakia. It smells like grilled fish. Would you like to go cycling?
Oh.
When can I travel by motorbike? Oh, this is the hotel.
Hotel Expo.
I should to go there. I arrived. I'm staying here tonight. I paid 60 euros for a room with 2 beds at the Expo Hotel in Bratislava, Slovakia for one night. Let's go inside. I'll show you the room. Hello. We have to go to the 5th floor. Oh. Let's take a look here. Good, everything is okay. خب It was sunny just now, but suddenly dark clouds appeared and I think it's going to rain. Can you hear the wind? Crazy weather. Look there, Bratislava Castle is visible. Stay with me, I wanna go to the countryside of Bratislava and show you Devin Castle. It's cool. Look, here is an old black and white photo of Bratislava Castle.